What's up, guys? I just woke up and Hurricane Florence just went away. So today's a perfect day to put on parts for the new Jeep. So most of my parts came in. I got the D-Series LED pod, so I got a spot and then I got a flood. I'm still waiting on the bracket for them, so we're not gonna install these today. We got a fire extinguisher holder, so you know that's a pretty easy install. We have a door seal protector straight from Mopar. We got the Mopar wheel locks, the Mopar hitch cover. We got the Quadra high performance W antenna, and we got the WeatherTech cargo mat. Today's parts install, it's gonna be pretty easy. You guys probably can do it without this video, but I want to make a video on the JL build. So last weekend I just got this baby tinted. Alright guys, let's start off with something that's very simple to do. So let's do the WeatherTech cargo liner. So we like to go camping, we like to go, you know, do some adventure stuff, and I'm pretty sure this bag is gonna get really filthy. So I had two choices, the WeatherTech and then the OE Mopar cargo mats, but that was too much for, you know, a cargo mat and then mats for the back seats. But I'm rarely gonna be using that, so I didn't get that, so I went with the WeatherTech. All right, let's get started. All right, so this is it. So basically just slap it on there. So in the box, this was all rolled up, so it's kind of like not flat. Just leave it on there, put some stuff on there, and it'll flatten out over time. You could also kind of heat it, but I didn't want to do that right now, so I'm gonna just leave it there, put some stuff on there, let it flatten out itself. All right, next up guys, I'm gonna be installing the Rugged Ridge fire extinguisher holder. On my previous Wrangler, I had the Poison Spider fire extinguisher holder, but you know what happened was I took off the top, and when I parked at the movie theaters, when I came back, someone stole it. So I had that Poison Spider fire extinguisher holder. I bought it for like 40 bucks. I got this for 20, and you know, I always have my top down. You know, I'm not gonna be taking out the fire extinguisher and then the holder every time I put the top down. So I bought something cheaper. You know, someone steals it, whatever, I could buy another one. But you know, and as far as the fire extinguisher, I'm getting mine at Walmart. It's 13 bucks for a regular red portable fire extinguisher. All right, let's go ahead and start. So I have a soft top. There's definitely, like, you know, different types of fire extinguisher holders for the JLs out right now, but since I have the soft top, I can't really do much. So this is gonna be the best solution for it. Instead of having the fire extinguisher going up like this, I'm gonna have it going up this way, just because when you have this top down, this whole arm goes down, and if you have the fire extinguisher right here, it's gonna be in the way. All right, so I'm gonna take out my side panels out, just because it's gonna be easier to be working with on the other side rather than, you know, kind of doing it over here. I mean, you don't have to. If you could work with this on, keep it on, but I want mine, you know, perfect. So I'm gonna take this off and go from there. Now that I have that off, we're just going to attach it like this. So it's gonna be like this. Take your time, make sure everything is tight. Tighten the velcros up really tight, and I'll show you guys the final product. Next up, let's install this hitch box cover from Mopar. It says Jeep on here. So on my previous video, I put on a U-Haul hitch. I ordered the Rugged Ridge one, which is a better quality. It's shorter, it doesn't stick out as much as the U-Haul, and there it is. Just gonna put this cover back on, because if you guys don't know, when you use those hitch accessories, when you put them in and out, the powder coat kind of chips away, and then when this gets wet, it rusts. To cover up those imperfections, we're gonna use the covers and just cover it up. So what you do is you put this loop on around this area. Then once you get this loop on, you can go ahead and cap it off. There you have it, all done. All right, now we're going to install the Quadratech high performance antenna, and for this install you're going to need a size 10 open wrench and a size 11 open wrench. Get your size 10 open wrench, put it on the groove, and just turn it and take it off. There it is, got it out. Look at the difference from the OE antenna to the Quadratech high performance antenna. So what you do first is take your high performance antenna, take off this adapter on there, take that adapter, hand tighten that adapter onto the Jeep. Once you do that, get your Quadratech antenna, screw it onto the adapter. Now take your 11mm open wrench and just go ahead and tighten that. Alright, there you guys have it. It looks so clean. It sucks that it's raining. We're gonna have to postpone this install. So next install, guys, I'm gonna install my LED pods, my wheel lock, my door sills. Also, I got more parts coming. I got all LED light. I got a steel bumper on the way. I got a steel rock slider slash steps going on it. LED pods, brackets are coming in. Hope you guys like this easy install, easy stuff you guys could do to your JL Wrangler, and hope you guys like this video. Like and subscribe. See you guys on the next video. Peace.